we'll start our session in the meantime. So yesterday, the small basic introduction class that we had yesterday, we learned what is database, right? And then we learned types of databases, the source of information, the source of data, apps, devices, websites, forms, etc. From there, we get the data to OLTP. From OLTP comes data warehouse through ETL process, ETL. And then stepping into analytics, reporting, AIML, and data science, right? This is the item we are learning yesterday. Then we went on with the job roles and the plan, action plan. We'll be taking the examples from tomorrow. We'll start with yellow box from tomorrow. Let's observe the things carefully. I need your support. Let's make sure we do on-time practice from tomorrow's class. So today, you'd be installing SQL Server and connect to our online server as well. So you were given 3 download links on the screen. So make sure you download all 3 softwares, 2022, 2019, and SSMS you see on my screen. Get all these 3 downloads for complete practice of our classes. Let me show you now how to do the installation. Okay, let's get started slowly. We'll do it step by step. Please, everyone, hope you are ready with your observation notes, please. Please, we'll slowly start now. Jessica, yes. Jatin, Arvind, Anuvam, yes. Anuvam, Naman, Pramodin, Sri Harsha, Uday Shankar. Please shake your mics, please. Hope you are ready with your observation notes, please. Please, we'll slowly start now.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Let's get started with our actual concept today, installation. It's very simple, friends. Let's observe carefully. And I'll provide you common installation errors and solutions as well. Let's get started slowly. Let's get into the agenda of today's class, installation. Yesterday intro class, we did one basic installation of SQL Server. Let me show you the detailed installation now. Things are very simple and straightforward. Let's get started with the detailed installation of SQL Server. We come across few important keywords today. I request you to get them documented into your observation notes, your learning sheet. Let's get started. Installation concept. So for this purpose, on my screen, so I'll be taking you to my software download links. And please confirm, you see my screen, everyone, please. You see my screen, the download
yes,
link
sir.
for 2019, download file. Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect, thank you. Let's continue. Download, right click, extract. Once you extract, then we get a folder. Double click on the setup file. See there carefully. Let's continue. Double click on the setup file. Double click on the setup file. This one. Double click on the setup file. Once you make it setup file, here it is. Observe carefully. Click on installation. Some background sound, friends. No one. Please check your mics, please. Please check it, please. I'll wait. Let's continue. So here we go. Installation left, new installation right. This is the process yesterday. You remember, please, everyone? Yes, please. I'll wait.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Installation left, new installation right. Exactly. Okay. Now Let me tell you this way, friends. This is not the correct process. Why? Let me show you, okay? Things are very interesting. Let's observe carefully. Look before we leap. We need to check the things before we continue, right? Let's do the same thing here. The actual practical installation procedure. Yes, we need to check whether our computer is ready for installation or not. How? Simple. Go to planning. Left side you see planning, right? Please everyone, you see my screen. Everyone, please, left side. You see planning left side, right? This one.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go to planning. System configuration checker. It's a tool. There is a free tool called SCC. System configuration checker tool. It's common tool we need to know. Everyone need to know. This tool is going to give us a heads up information whether all our components, hardware and software components are intact. Are they in place to support and help us to proceed for the installation? What is it? System configuration checker tool. In this particular tool, there is one important component called WMI, Windows Management Instrumentation. To my experience, I have seen many times where installation stops, not fails. Installation stops at the first place itself because of this WMI. What we do? Update Windows. I'll provide you one document today, a short 10-page PDF that contains common errors and solutions. First one is this WMI. Reason for the error, your operating system is out of date. It's not up to date. So what we do? Update Windows OS for streamlined installation of SQL Server. So system administrators are supposed to update their operating system before we, database engineers, database professionals, before we actually implement installation. Otherwise, what happens? We get WMI error. One more error called long path error. Let me show you. I think today morning, from one of our participants, I got this error. They tried yesterday's installation and they had this error. Let me show you. I think I should not expose the contact number, so I will try to save the contact, or I'll show you the actual screen directly. Okay, I'll do. Please give me few moments time. Let me give you the exact error here. Yes, I think I can give you this error. 1 minute. Yep, I got it now. Yes, I got it. I'll simply download it. Yes, I'm downloading my WhatsApp message to my downloads to show you. Okay, for security reasons, I should not expose the email address. Yes, I got it here. Let's observe carefully, friends. This is another common error, long path error. For every error, you have a solution video in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'll provide you my YouTube channel link for every error from this screen. And let's now concentrate on actual installation. What if we get any error? You'll be having two solutions with you. One is my YouTube links, and number two, a PDF with screenshot explanation, common errors and solutions for each of them. Error, reason, actual reason why, and the solution, including why the solution. You'll get the complete information anyway. For now, remember what we are learning. We are understanding that when working with installation, we need to check whether our computer is ready for installation or not. How? I'll show you once again. I'll show you once again. Go to the download, double click the setup file after extraction, planning, and SCC, system configuration checker tool. Please, are we clear so far? Please, I'll wait. This one. Are we clear
Yes,
so
sir.
far? Please, I'll wait. Yep.
Yes. So this is only for
But-
SQL, for any of the
Wait, wait, wait.
software.
No, for SQL Server only. We are talking about SQL Server over there. For SQL
Okay.
Server only. Yes. Okay. Yes. Either non-cloud, on-premises, as well as Azure, same process. Uday, are you getting it, sir? I'll wait. Yeah.
Yes.
Uday. Perfect. Yeah. I got a question from Sirisha. Sorry, my bad. Sri Harsha. Should we install parallelly? No. You please install after the class. I'll stay back. Sri Harsha, my dear friend, I'll stay back after the class today. You will do the installation after the class. For now, I want you to write your observation notes, okay, like this. Write your observation notes carefully, please. Please do it for me. And next, Norman, I could see you reconnected just now. By default, all attendees on mute for easy maintenance or management of the webinar. Norman, please unmute yourself now. Norman, please unmute yourself. Norman cannot hear you. Please shake your mic. Norman cannot hear you. Please shake your mic.
Yes. I unmuted him. Thank you.
Caps lock off, please. Caps lock off, please. I'll continue. Where we are, friends? Let's enjoy respecting the subject carefully, friends. Things are very streamlined and straightforward. What next? Let's continue. After we complete this SCC, system configuration checker, what next? Installation. Okay. Please write your observation notes. You'll WhatsApp me your handwritten observation notes after the class, please. Go to installation, new installation. See here, new installation. Installation left, new installation right. Next, let's continue. And okay, here it is. Let's continue. Installation left, new installation right, new update. Say Microsoft update screen will come. No problem. Setup like this. Let's observe carefully. We'll go for questions after some time, please. Let's observe carefully. Here, very important screen. Yesterday, we are all very new. I simply click next. Now I want you to read them carefully. Let me know if we got it. Please observe there now. Perform new installation or add features to existing installation. Come on, please tell me, what are the features you are talking about, please? Any guess? What features it is mentioning about the installation screen? Any guess, please? I'll wait. Are you getting the concept now? Please, I'll wait. Features. You remember yesterday? Database engine, analysis. Got it, please? Database engine, OLTP and data warehouse. Analysis, OLAP. Got it?
SSIS and some features is there. So if you want to
Fine.
add, then you can
Exactly.
the second one.
Perfect, exactly. I repeat again. Yesterday, we installed database engine. What if in future you decided to add other features like analysis services, OLAP, machine learning, integration services, etc. Then choose add features to existing instance. Here instance means installation. For now, perform new installation and next. In future, you can come back here and add features to existing installation to whichever instance you install. Please, are we getting it now? Please, I'll wait. Please, are we getting it? Please, I'll wait. Yes, everyone, please confirm. Please, Niranjan, Satish,
yes.
Yes, sir.
do you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Perfect. Yes. I
Yes,
think
So
so.
either we can go for a new installation or we can add a features for existing one.
Exactly, based on your requirement. Based on
Yes.
your requirement. Okay.
Okay.
In my case, I need to have a fresh copy of new installation. So first option.
Okay.
Later classes, for example, now we are installing database engine, right? In future, you decided to add other features, then choose second option at that time. Uday, are you getting it now, my dear
Yes.
friend?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Let's go for new installation. Very important, friends. That new installation is called instance. Instance. In case you are writing your notes, installation is also called instance. If anyone from Oracle, let me tell you, friends, give me 1 hour, I can give difference between SQL and Oracle. Give me 1 day, I can give you difference between SQL and Oracle. Really, both are entirely different. SQL Server, North Pole, Oracle, South Pole. Both are poles, but there is a lot of repulsion in between them. I mean it, friends. Attendees from Oracle and other database technologies, for them, instance means database. Here, instance means 4 meanings are there. Trust me, 4 meanings. Select has 11 meanings. Select statement has 11 meanings in MS SQL. I mean, let's think practically, friends. For today, instance means installation. By tomorrow, I'll give you the second meaning of instance practically on my screen. Remember, friends, instance means installation. For today, I repeat, instance means installation. Attendees are writing their observation notes, please. Instance means installation. Just I'm installing a house, I'm constructing a house, it becomes a home. I'm installing a server, it becomes an instance. Remember. Now, next, I said instance, right? Installation, home. Databases will be the rooms inside the home, inside the house from tomorrow. For now, let's continue. Let's go for developer edition. Developer is a lifelong free edition. I repeat, evaluation, developer, there are 2 different items. Yesterday, basic installation, I have shown evaluation. It's a 6 months trial. Now let's go for developer. Developer is lifelong free. You can ask me, Sai, if developer is lifelong free, why don't we use it yesterday itself? Why we are waiting until today? Yes, evaluation, because it is 6 months trial, it's more valuable. There are few things we can do only in evaluation, 6 months trial. There are few more things we can do only in developer, lifelong free. These 2 are enough for our classes. For local practice, for online server, I have a licensed copy. I'll be providing you the required server access today. For attendees who completed their enrollments until yesterday, I think 4 p.m., we have sent the login details for them. Other participants will be sending the login details to connect to the online server after the class today, and I'll stay back to make sure you are able to successfully connect to my server. That part I will do anyway. For now, remember, evaluation, developer. Evaluation 6 months trial, developer lifelong free. Let's go for developer. We are going to learn when to choose which and the difference between them practically in our classes. For that reason, install both. Evaluation, developer. First time, evaluation, second time, developer. Next, accept licensing terms. Next, remember, friends, we're installing a new installation, right? Isn't it? Yesterday Introduction class, I was guiding you how to install 2022. Now 2019. So select the database engine. This is the feature I was talking about. Features, database engine. Leave the installation directory as it is. Leave the path as it is. It takes 1 GB space for this new instance. Please everyone, instance means installation. Okay, instance means installation. Next, from here, next. Yesterday, we installed one installation with some name you gave. It's okay. What is that name we gave yesterday? I said demo 1, right? Demo 01. Now I will say SQL School demo 02. Demo 2 like this. Give some name. So I'm installing SQL Server side by side. 2 houses, one for me, one for my brother or my sister in the same compound. One is not impacting the other. And click anywhere outside. Click anywhere outside, we get something called ID. This is very important for us. Based on the ID, one directory is auto created. So yesterday installation, one folder got created. Today's installation, other folder getting created. Why? Because my second installation today should not disturb yesterday's installation. I said side by side installation, right? Yesterday's class, Word document notes again. Let me show you this one, friends. In your computer, you are installing 2 different servers. My house, my sibling's house. There will be a gate in between, and we are going to open the gate whenever required. The bridging, we call it linking of servers. By early next week, we are going to learn linked server concept. So for you to practice linked server basic introduction to advanced topics, we need minimum 2 servers in your computer. At OS level, each server is identified with a unique folder, unique directory. That directory or folder means directory, folder name will be decided by ID. So give the ID and next. Click next. Let's wait for some time. There is something called default instance. Back, there is something called default instance. I'll show you in another 10 to 15 minutes today. For now, named instance next. Let's observe carefully. Let's wait for some time. We will go for questions during Q&A time. Let's observe carefully. Good to write your observation notes if possible, please. You'll WhatsApp me after the class today to get more things on WhatsApp. Really, we do more, we get more. Notes, assignments, common for everyone. You write notes, right? I mean, you are showing more interest. You are into the course. You WhatsApp me after the class. You ask me more questions. Give more clarifications for my questions. You have more things to learn. As simple as that. I repeat once again. What we are learning? Instance name. From instance name, we get instance ID. Based on instance ID, what's happening there? One folder is auto created. We are going to use this folder later classes for few troubleshooting information. Next. I'll wait. Click on next. Let's wait. Yes, very, very important. I said SQL Server is my house, I said, right? So how many houses we have now? 2 houses. My house and my brother or my sister house, assume. Or your house and my house, assume. Now, every house needs a gate. That gate needs a watchman. The watchman is service account, remember. It's as simple as that. Service and service account, both are very, very important items for us. Yesterday, we are all very new. I simply click next. Now we are understanding the actual chemistry inside it. Service and service account. Service means like a gate. Service account is a watchman controlling the gate. I mean it. Whenever you're installing SQL Server, you know what happens? One user will be auto created inside your operating system. If you take other database systems like Oracle or Informix, Ingress, etc., we need to create users separately. In Windows, in Microsoft technologies, known for ease of use, one user is auto created. But what's the username? Yes, the username will be based on the previous screen instance name. Remember this, very important. Whatever name you give, based on that name, based on the instance name, two things will happen. One server will be created and one user will be created. That user is also called service account. Let me show you now on the screen. I'll make this video available for you. Please access the video multiple times. Write your notes if possible. I'll provide you the complete detailed notes anyway. Here it is. Observe carefully. See, demo 2. Based on demo 2, some users are auto created like this. Of course, one user, multiple aliases in this way. We'll be learning more about these users separately in security concept. For now, remember the fact one user will be created for this particular server or this particular instance. That user is called service account. Now, what is service? Let's see. I said service is like a gate. Big house, more gates. Small house, one gate. SQL Server, I simply selected database engine, right? Yes, that database engine results in 3 gates. If you select analysis services, 1 more gate. Machine learning, 4 more gates. So every feature you select in SQL Server, the house becomes a stadium, multiple gates. For now, 3 gates are there, 3 services. I'll be providing you the information why multiple gates, multiple services, and purpose of each of these service in another 10-15 minutes today. One more thing, collation. What is that? Collation. SQL Server can be used by me right now in India, or my friend, my ex-colleague who is right now in China, or my other friend who is right now enjoying his holidays in Thailand. I mean to say, friends, different countries, different languages. SQL Server is a one single big boss. There comes collation. Collation refers to the language setting. Collation refers to the type of language in which you wanted to implement SQL Server. Example, Russia. Its friend, Ukraine. On my screen now, right? You have different languages for different countries. That language setting is called collation. Now, for our examples, we are using English language collation. Later classes, we are going to learn how to store passwords in SQL Server. You can store data in Excel. Regular data you can store in Excel, but how do you store passwords in Excel? We cannot. I can't make my passwords public, right? How do you store passwords? Excel cannot be used. PDF cannot be used. Word document cannot be used. Database can be used. How do you store barcodes? How do you store QR codes? How to generate and store captcha codes? Database is the answer. That's the beauty of database. So barcodes, QR codes, captcha codes, OTPs, passwords, collation is the technical answer for database storage. Remember that. So remember friends, very important, instance earlier, then service account, now collation. I'll define all these items after I revise the installation today. Final item called authentication. Authentication means connection, the entry point into the gate. You are authenticating to the server, means you are connecting to the server. There are two types of authentications. Either valid Windows users can enter into the house, valid Windows users can connect to the server, or mixed mode means any user can connect. Any user means Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, iOS, HTC, Windows, any OS can connect. For example, our online server. You can come with a Java application or Python application or Android app, iOS app. There are a lot of apps using which you can connect our SQL server or online server. I mean, we can configure our server to allow accept only Windows users or be liberal, be flexible to accept any user. My online server access that you will be receiving after the class today, you will be able to happily connect from any device, any application, any program, and any OS, any tool. That is because we configured it for mixed mode authentication. I want you to configure the second server for mixed mode authentication. Give some password for one auto-generated admin user called SA. SA. I repeat, yesterday we installed SQL Server using Windows. That's okay, no problem. To make it more flexible, more useful, go for mixed mode authentication recommended approach. Then you should get a doubt. You should get a doubt by now. Sai, I installed Windows authentication yesterday. Can I change authentication mode? Should be your question, and answer is yes. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a day or two. I mean, we can change the authentication whenever required. For now, go for mixed mode authentication. Leave the remaining things to me next. Now see the error. It says, okay, you added password for SA, but because it is mixed, because there is a Windows authentication inside mixed, what we have to do? It says validation errors on this page. Click OK to close the dialog box. Review errors at the end of the bottom, at the bottom of the setup page. And bottom message says missing system administrator account. So add current user. That's it, you are done. Remaining things, leave it. Next. Let's learn slowly, step by step.
Sorry, Sai, can you
Install.
go back?
Once I click on install, let me just repeat the things again. My dear friend, we'll go for questions during Q&A time, please. Please help me. Please help me. I said I'm going to repeat the steps, okay? Hope you heard me earlier. I'm going to repeat them. Come on, friends. Attendees are writing their notes. Before I do the repetition of this entire installation again, please give me your heads up. Please, what are the keywords we are learning today? Number one, SCC, right? Isn't it? Please, everyone, please help me. System configuration checker, right? Please. We'll go for questions after repetition of installation. System configuration checker. What's the second technical term we are learning today, please? Attendees are writing their notes, please. Yes, yes, please.
Instance.
Perfect. Exactly, WMI means Windows Management Instrumentation. Let's go with the old method of learning, friends. It works. What else? I said long path error. I'll provide you the solutions anyway. Come on, what the other keywords that we are learning today? Please, attendees are following the class today. Please help me, please.
Instance.
Please, my kind request. Exactly, instance. What is instance, please? Instance means?
Is also
Installation.
called as installation.
Exactly, installation of SQL Server. We are all very new. Let's love to learn it carefully. Installation of SQL Server. Types of instances.
Named
Default.
instance.
Exactly, default and named. Exactly. Now, what's the difference? Difference between named and default. Here it is. Whatever notes I gave you yesterday for installation, it has this theory part. Let me show you the difference between default and named. Instance means installation. We can install up to 50 times, 50 times. Each instance has a unique name like 1, 2, etc. And remember, during your installation, no space in the instance name. There are two types of instances, right? Default and named. Please observe carefully. You will decide your questions after my complete concept. Before I do the revision of installation with few more add-ons, I'm just giving a recap of what we did so far in a constructive way. Types of instance. Yes, you are telling default instance, named instance. Default instance name is MS SQL Server. And server name, just computer name. Databases, 32,767 databases per instance, remember. Port 1433. 1433. Real-time usage. In production, we'll be using default. So my online server will be default. Licensed copy. Edition enterprise. Number of installations up to 1 per OS. For what? For default. Whereas if you are going for the named instance, the second one is there, right? Named instance. Here it is. Instance name. You define your own name, right? I said SQL School Demo 1, Demo 2. You gave your own names. Server name is equal to computer name / instance name. Friends, I was telling you one small statement. I was using one small statement a few minutes back. I said every house results in a home. Yes, I construct a house and give you for rent, or you construct a house and give you for rent. It's your house, my home. Every house results in a home. Every instance results in a server. My SQL School data center has multiple installations. Of course, we pay per each server separately because we do provide some data hosting and few consulting activities for a set of companies in Hyderabad and Bangalore. Because I started my journey as a DBA from 2005. So it's all about database hosting and consulting. It's in my fingertips. I can happily, justify the things. So we have multiple servers. Those servers will be homes for the appropriate companies because we're hosting their data. Some on temporary basis, some for few of them temporary basis and testing basis, and few of them permanent. I repeat again, friends, every instance results in a server. So this is what I'm showing you in another 10 minutes today. This one, A/B, computer name / instance name. And I'll be showing you this one also in another 10-15 minutes today towards the end of the class. Databases per instance 32K. Problem with named instance. You can ask me, Sai, Why you are using a default for production? Why not named? Yes, in named instance, remember the port keeps changing every time you restart your computer or you restart certain network items. Port number is not static. And there are few security cautions that we need to address with a port number. Port is just like a highway. To travel from one city to another city, we use one road. For data to travel from one application to another or one component to another within your operating system and across the network outside your OS, we need port. Any data communication requires port. That port keeps changing. So security cautions, security reasons, do not use named instance in production, remember. We use it for dev and test your local servers. And with this small introduction, I'll be back again to my notes. Then we learn something called authentication. What is that? I said communication. Communication path to SQL Server. We have Windows authentication, right? We have Windows authentication. And we also have something called mixed mode authentication, Windows authentication mode and mixed mode. We also learned something called service. Service means, come on, please. What is service? Please, service. Please, I'll wait. Service. Well,
service account.
I said a gateway. A gateway to SQL Server. Now let me define it technically. Service is a OS level component. Remember, it's a software component. OS level software component used to perform a predefined set of activities. For example, you install an antivirus, it results in one or more services. You stop antivirus, service gets stopped in Windows OS or any OS. Example, here it is. Database engine feature needs database engine service plus something called SQL browser service plus something called agent service. I install database engine. It requires database engine service and something called SQL browser service and something else called agent service. Friends, it's really good to know all these items to understand what's happening inside our server. For example, next week classes, we need to understand how to optimize the queries. We need these services. Database engine service to perform the OLTP and data warehouse operations. Browser service to enable remote connections to server. Agent service to perform automations, also called jobs and schedules, etc. I understand, friends, we are all very new to the database environment. Please by heart every point. Everything is a mantra for us. Please. I repeat, service like a gateway. It's a OS component to perform predefined set of activities. You connect to the server, perform some activities. The database engine feature that we selected today resulted in 3 services. Database engine service, browser service, agent service. And very important item, this one. To manage these services, we will be using something called service Configuration Manager, SCM we call in our classes. It's a tool. What is it? SQL Server Service Configuration Manager. This one, Configuration Manager in our later classes. It's like a first aid kit. Next, apart from this, service account. The user responsible to manage above services. That is called service account. This user is auto created during SQL Server installation by default, and we can change this user using SCM tool, that is Service Configuration Manager tool. Please by heart these things carefully, please. Last final option before we start our before we revise installation, collation. Please help me. What is collation? Please guide me. What is collation? Please, I'll wait.
Language setting.
Exactly. Language. Perfect. Exactly. Some attendees, no response there. No problem. Friends, you have to respond to my questions so that I can respond more for your questions. I'll continue. Language setting. I do more, I get more. You do more, you get more. I'll continue. Reasons apart, please. Let's put all our effort carefully. Collation, language setting. Language setting needed for SQL Server operations. This includes data storage and data reporting, etc. With all these items, let me show you once again now how to install SQL Server. Okay, you can practice in parallel now. Now you can do the practice. If not, you can do the practice after the class today anyway. It's up to you. 3 minutes, 3 steps. Let's make the installation simple. 3 minutes, 3 steps. Let's make the installation simple. Things are very simple and straightforward. Let's observe carefully. You please guide me how to perform this installation process. In the meantime, see, this is a successful installation. Any errors, please WhatsApp me. Let's get started now. Let's repeat installation. Please tell me how to install SQL Server, please. Okay, you download the software. What next? Tell me please. Right click, extract.
Then set
You
up.
may see extract all or extract here, depending on your operating system. Extract all or extract here. What next?
Click or setup.
Setup.
Yes, there are 2 setups. Okay, remember there are 2 setups. Application, config. This setup config is for repairs and troubleshooting. Command line installations, later classes. For now, set up application file. What next, please? I'll wait.
Installation
Right?
left.
No, not installation. No.
System
configuration
checker.
Exactly. Yes. Okay. Please check your mic, please. Make sure it is passed. If you have any error on restart computer, please restart your computer. It prompted. Next, installation. New installation. Exactly. Some background sound, please. We'll go for questions after this installation. Some background sound, I'll mute that mic. I'll just Amjad, please check your mic, please. Thank you. Let's wait. For clarity, I'm just giving you the installation once again. Okay, we're all very new. Let's go slowly, step by step. I want you to install the installation yourself without referring to the notes. If it is really required, refer to the notes, my notes. If it is badly required, refer to the video. Okay, please try to do it. Next, developer. Don't choose Express. It won't work for our course. It won't work for our course. Express edition is very basic for academic projects and students. University programs by Microsoft. College affiliations and university, projects by Microsoft. These programs. For us, developer. Express won't work for my classes. From tomorrow, please. Yes, we are going to start from the scratch, but the way we do it is a bit different. Express won't work. Select developer. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure if prompted for. Next. Let's wait. Select a database engine for now. This is going to result in 3 services. Feature, services. Feature, services. Next. Please by heart the new technical terms. Let's wait. I'll say SQL School Demo 3. Give some name. Any name is fine. In your case, you'll install only 2 times. For clarity, I'm showing you the third one also. See, up to 50 maximum. You can install the same edition multiple times, same version multiple times. Some background sound, right? Still some background sound. Please wait. I'll mute that mic. Thank you. Mixed mode authentication. In mixed mode authentication, you have one SA. Give the password for SA. Any password is okay. Add current user or any user. Next. Install. Leave the remaining things install. Simple. Yes, any questions on the server installation, please? I'll wait. Please go through these items carefully. Any questions, please? I'll wait. Yes.
Sir, last action you add the current user. So for every instance, can we use same user?
Yes. See, every house has its own owner. So whatever user you added to the first server, you can add the same user for the second server also, but you have to add it manually. Getting it? So during installation, you have to add the user. At least one user should be added. Otherwise, we cannot proceed next. I was showing you one error a few minutes back. Are you getting it, please? I'll wait. Yes.
How long does it take to for the installation to start?
Well, it will take about 3 minutes for the complete process. About 3 minutes total.
So, user means you mean to say that login user?
You are right, my dear friend. You are right. Exactly. Yes, it's a login user. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing, service configuration manager you said, right? It is that tool supposed to be downloaded separately, or it will be downloaded with all?
It comes automatically. I'll show you later. It comes automatically, my dear friend. It comes automatically. Yes.
Okay. Because I already downloaded both the version, but I could not see this configuration manager.
I'll guide you. I'll help you. There are shortcuts as well to to trigger the tool for the first time usage. I'll guide you anyway. It will be automatically there. Yeah,
okay.
It is there. Yeah.
I'm getting a Windows firewall warning.
Yeah, please ignore it, my dear friend. Harsha. Ignore the warning. Click next. No problem. No problem. Any warnings, ignore and just say next. No problem. Yeah. Any more questions, please? Tell me.
In real development, that warning we need to rectify, or can we proceed about that firewall and like this?
Well, actually, I was giving the course curriculum how to address the firewall warnings and how to add firewall rules. I had it in the curriculum already. I mentioned it clearly. We'll take it. For now, you can say next. No problem. Yes. In real world, we'll be using Windows Server operating system, and admins will be taking care of the firewall configurations and port configurations in general. For your trial machines, you can simply say next, no problem. Yes, I'll guide you how to resolve firewall warnings. Or Control F, my course curriculum, firewall. You will see the keyword. Next question, please. I'll wait. Next question, please.
So, so sir, you
Tell
said
me, Niranjan.
when you are setting dynamic port, so it will change whenever you do restart. So is that
Exactly.
so? Because we were using named instance, so it is not changing for us. So I just want to know how it will work.
See, even though port number keeps changing, Niranjan, it is not going to impact the databases, not the data. But in real world, we need to have certain network configurations also for secured remote access. So their problem starts. So better to go for the default instance only if you are having online access to your instances. For our learning process, you have online access to my server. So my server is configured for the static port already. No problem, it works. Getting it, Niranjan? For local practice, local practice, that's absolutely fine. Yeah. Because I don't want you to have again two different physical computers now, okay? Not required. Sometimes.
Thank you.
Not required.
Might be a repeat question.
Next question,
During server configuration, the startup type for SQL Server Browser is showing as disabled.
Someone trying to speak, but I cannot hear you clearly.
Hello.
Anyway, I'll continue. Wait.
Hello.
Sriharshta, please repeat your question again. Tell me. Yep.
Yes, during the server configuration, the startup type for SQL Server Browser is showing as disabled. Is that normal?
It's okay, my dear friend. Simply say next. No problem. No problem. Say next. No issues. Yeah. Click next. And yes, Mukta, cannot hear you. Please check your mic now, please. Let me just unmute and mute. Yes, Mukta, cannot hear you. Please check. Yes, Mukta, cannot hear you. Please check your mic. Fine, friends. Let's continue. Okay. Let's see the tool installation now. Let's see the tool installation.
Sir, one question. If you
Tell me,
select
sir.
Windows authentication during the installation, later can be
Yes.
changed to this mode?
I was mentioning about it a few minutes back. I said like that question you should get and the answer is yes, I'll show you. I said, yes, you should get that question. And I said answer is yes. Yes, you can. I'll show you anyway. Yep. Naman, are you getting it, my dear friend? Answer is yes, we can do. Yes, we can change.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, friends, any further questions, we'll take them after the class. Oh, 11 o'clock now. Can you give me 5 minutes time, please? I'll show you the tool installation and the server connections. Can you give me 5 minutes, please? 5 minutes, please, everyone. Yes,
Sure.
please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Sure,
you.
sure.
Thank you. Sorry, I forgot to manage my time. My bad. I'll manage from tomorrow. We'll park the questions, remaining questions, if any, after the class today. Please give me another 3 to 5 minutes. Let me show you the tool installation and 3 servers connection, right? 2 local, 1 online. Then I'll stay back after the class for addressing the questions, connections, if any. Let me show you the tool installation. Very simple, friends. Go to the download link. I'll be sending you an email. This one. Download, double click on the setup file. It will ask you to simply click install. See, like this, install. You click on install. I'll show you once again from my other computer. Please wait. I'll show you from my other computer because I double click on the setup file here and click this one. It's asking me to restart my computer. System reboot is required. So let me just show you from my other computer here. So I'll take you to my other computer. Yes. And in my computer here, I'll take you to my computer and just wait. Yes. Double click on the setup file and install. You see my screen, please, everyone, please, everyone. You see my screen, please? I'll
Yes.
wait.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Double click on the setup file, install. After you do the installation, search, type SSMS. I'm showing you how to verify the installations. Click on SSMS, this one, SQL Server Management Studio. See, tool installation SSMS single step. Double click, start installation. Done. How to test installations? Remember once again, search SSMS. Click on the app, and then see, it'll ask you for the server name. It'll ask you for the server name. Then what we do? Let's observe carefully. Drop down, browse for more. See that one, there is something called browse for more, right? Click on browse for more. Once I click on browse for more, expand database engine. Select whatever servers you installed and OK. That's it, you are done. That's it. I'll show you once again. For making it clear, let me show you on my actual original computer. Go to start, search SSMS. This one, SQL Server Management Studio. What is that? I am repeating it in SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio. This is the last final step. Launch SSMS. It will prompt you to connect to one server, but problem, I am very new to SQL. I forgot my server name. No problem. Drop down, browse for more. Expand database engine and select, see, whatever order you install the servers, same order you have those list here. Interesting, right? Select the first one. Okay. Trust, connect. This is how you have to connect to the first server. I repeat, connect, database engine. We don't know the server name. Drop down, browse for more. Expand database engine. Select second server. Okay. Either Windows or SQL authentication. For SQL authentication, I gave password for the built-in admin account called SA. So remember the password for SA, trust certificate. Click connect. Make sure you provide the correct password. Make sure you provide correct password and connect like this. These two servers, yellow to first green, yellow to second green. I repeat, yellow to first green, yellow to second green, and yellow to blue, the third server. I'll provide you our online server details. You will be given the server name, login name, password, and connect. This would be our online server, yellow to blue. We are ready for tomorrow's class. I'll repeat again. First server, second server, or online server. These details will be given on email in another 5 minutes max for today. Provide the server name, authentication, login name, password, connect. We require total 3 servers, and here it is, my installation nodes. This one. Yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. So total of 3 servers. With this, we'll stop for today. Please try to follow the things carefully. Get your servers ready to start our practice from tomorrow in a simple way. Over to you now. Questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Please.
ऐसा
We stop
घूमते
for
तुम
today.
डरो
Sir,
अपना
yesterday,
कामा करते हो जी.
Yes, Sriharsha, please tell me your question, my dear friend. Tell me.
so yesterday when I've installed 2022 version, I've installed in a evaluation mode.
No problem. Yes. And today for developer 2019. Yeah.
Yes, developer. And yesterday I will given a
Evaluation.
default
No
instance
problem.
actually selected.
No problem, my dear friend. No problem. That's fine. Absolutely fine. No issues. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I just
Sorry,
give recommendations. I gave recommendations for the regular activity. Live, production, default, trial, development, testing, named. It's not a rule, recommended. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sai.
please wait. Mukta, please wait, sir. I can hear you, sir. Please wait, sir. Thank you. Please wait. Uday, please tell me, Uday. Sorry to make you wait, Uday. Please tell me. Proceed.
no issue. Sorry, I told you already that I already installed SSMS and installed server 2019 and 2022. You said that's
Okay.
enough for us. And you said the
Sure.
third one server. The third one
I'm
server is
sending you the
something.
details now.
Oh,
Online
this is something
server.
that I don't. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sending it right. I'm just composing the mail right now, my dear friend. I'm sending it now. Yes.
Yeah. Sai, can I ask you
In the
some
meantime,
questions?
yeah, please wait one by one. Yeah, surely. Yeah, Mukta, please tell me, Mukta. Yeah. Sorry
Yeah,
to make
actually, I have 3 questions. I have 3 questions.
Tell me.
One related to the mood. You said Windows mood and the mixed mood, right? But
Yes.
which one is the correct and the right approach for the real-time environment?
Mixed mode.
Because
Mixed mode. Mixed mode is the correct.
why means mixed mode is good for real-time environment.
Yeah, actually, I was giving the statement, actually, my dear friend. I said, like, the server should be flexible, wherein the user should be able to connect from any OS, right? So I cannot force my customer. For example, I have an app called Facebook app. What if someone says Facebook app only works on iPhone or only on Android, not in other devices? It will be a business loss, right? Isn't it? You got
Yeah,
the point.
but how the security will manage? I mean, if there is a
We'll see
cross-platform.
We will
Okay.
be discussing security management separately. Yes,
Okay.
it is.
I have
Every
another.
OS
I
has
have.
its security advantage.
I have another question. Suppose let's say there is an installation is already done, and I am the new DBA to join the environment. But how I can able to identify whether my last installation was the default instance or the name instance?
You have to give me the answer now. Please cross check my notes and my screen. Tell me, is this default or named? Please, I want you to try. Really, I'm actually about to tell about it in tomorrow's class, but you asked me, thanks for asking, and I want you to answer now. Please give it a try. Check my notes and my screen. You give me, please. I'll give my answer anyway. I want you to try. Please try. I'll wait. In the meantime, anyone any questions? I'll wait. Yes, please. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, because of the naming convention, you mean?
Oh no, my dear friend, no. Anything else? Yeah, anything else? Fine, my dear friend. Here is the answer. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you the answer.
Only default instance can be one, right?
Yeah, right.
Default
Exactly. Yeah, that is okay. But the question is, how do you identify this one? If it is named instance, I said computer name / instance name, right? You remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whereas default, it is only computer name, right? Isn't it, my dear friend?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
like this. Now, wait. Let me complete my answer. No hurry. I'll be staying here. No. Now, see, I have to answer for everyone, isn't it? Not just. Now, here it is. This is named. Why? Because A/B. Here there is no slash. Or go to database engine. Go to some background sound there, please. Please help me to concentrate on my answer, please. Thank you. Browse. See, first one is the default. Server name equal to computer name. And other ones will be the named instances. Because there is a backslash. This is one straightforward way. Okay. There are other ways wherein we can go to the SCM, said, right? Service Configuration Manager. There also you can go to service properties and verify the type of instance. This is a simple, straightforward method. Are you getting it, my dear friend? I'll wait.
Yes,
please.
yes, I got it. I got it.
Yes.
And yeah, and the third question, see, as you as there is an Windows authentication user, right? It is the gatekeeper to connect the server. So I can understand that way. This is the, I mean, the main user, like in Oracle we have a sysdba. So this is like similar to sysdba.
No, not exactly. I don't know. No, not like that.
This is the admin user, the high privilege user.
See, it's not like a super user or admin user, or just not like an Oracle Scott Tiger. It's not like that actually. The architecture is a bit different. This is one of the users, one of the admins. That's as simple as it. Just like a joint account of a bank. One of the users actually.
So what privileges this user has?
Admin privileges, complete admin privileges. And
so means
you can also tell me. Yes.
So we can we use this user to start the database engine?
We'll see very shortly. Yes or no, we'll see. Okay, we'll see one by one. See, there are other people as well very new to the technology, so I should be clear and straight. We'll see one by one. We'll be discussing about security, starting the services and all. We'll do. This can be one of the users, not the only user. That's the answer to your question. One of the user to stop and start the services. Okay. Yes. You no need to an admin to stop the service in SQL Server. No need to be a server admin.
Yes, can the same data instead of database engine? Can we select any other services, any other feature?
Yes.
Or database engine is mandatory.
See, you can select any feature during installation, my dear friend. For our classes from tomorrow, database engine mandatory. Are you getting it? If you are going for machine learning or my AIML course or my analysis service SSAS weekend batch, you select only SSAS. It's enough. For my classes from tomorrow, this 10 a.m. batch, for OLTP data warehouse, database engine mandatory. Yes, that's the answer.
Yeah. During the installation, I see there is a agent service. It keep as manual. Why?
We'll see later classes. Okay, time is not allowing me to answer everything now. We will see one by one. Next question, please. From whatever we installed today, ask me from there. Okay, that whys and what we'll be discussing slowly. You'll be attending the classes, right? We'll do one by one. Leave it. For example, it's disabled here, right? You will be discussing it one by one. Anyway, we are yet to discuss about service accounts. I said later classes. I was mentioning half an hour back. So friends, attend this from Oracle and other database technologies. We are learning as per the curriculum slowly, step by step. Then I can make you learn. If make me jump, I'll do a long jump, a very long jump. You'll skip the things in between. Please help me. We'll go slowly. I was telling the same yesterday, right? As I said, like, can we start from the scratch? You all said yes. We are starting from the scratch. We'll do. Attendees from other database technologies, you have to bear me and understand the basics carefully. Otherwise, you will give wrong answers, others will give correct answers. Please understand my practical concept. Please help me. Next question, please, others. Let me know, please. I'll wait. We'll go one by one. Next question, please. Yes, I'll wait. Please go through my notes carefully, friends. Norman, you asked me some question earlier, right? Is it clear? Sorry, some interruption came in between. Sorry for that, Norman, from others. Norman, are you clear now, please? Your question, is it clarified? Please, Norman. Yep.
Yes, sir. I was asked about the mixed mode and the Windows mode. If you select Windows authentication during the installation, can we later?
Yes. We can do it, my dear friend. We can do it. Yes. And I said, like, I'll take it to later classes. But now I'll show you the concept or the steps wherein I said, like, later classes. Right? I'll show you here, my dear friend, how to do it.
One
Please
question
wait. Yeah, please wait.
Okay.
Let me complete answer to your previous question. Okay. I will go one by one. Answer to your question on my screen, my dear friend. Security management and down. How do you modify authentication mode? This is the answer to your question. On my screen, security concept. Are you clear now, Norman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Fine. Next question, Norman. Please proceed, my dear friend. Tell me.
I want
Yes.
to ask that you showed that during the browsing the instances, you showed that the default instance was top one. Okay. So if you
Yes.
install the default instance in a second or third time, and the first is the named instance and second is the named instance and third is the default instance. So it will be also automatically on top or it will be on third
Okay.
if you do it.
On my screen. Got it? On my screen. Installation order only. Are you getting it, please? Norman.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Perfect.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yep. Next question, Jessica. Others, any questions? Sri Harsha, what about your installation? Is it done or still going on? Sri Harsha, please tell me. I'll wait. Sri Harsha, I cannot hear you. Jessica, Amjad, Arvind. Yes, Abhinav. Please let me know, please. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Niranjan. Yes. Pramodini. Yeah, please, any questions, please? I'll wait. Yes. You got the mail, everyone? The online server access, please check it, friends.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. We'll stop for today. Meeting from tomorrow. Please, they're all very new. We'll go slowly, step by step, as per the curriculum. Okay. Lot of things we need to learn slowly, step by step. By end of this week or early next week, we need to step into architecture. So, majority questions posted today from the attendees from other technologies, they will be getting the answers automatically in the flow by mid of next week. We'll stop for today. Please practice carefully. I'll stay back for addressing errors if any. Installation errors if any. Please let me know. I'll stay back. And Uday, you said like the configuration manager is not there, right? Can I come to your screen, Uday? Please, can we check it now? Uday Shankar, can I come to your screen, please?
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Please click on show screen, Uday. Friends, will stop for now. Thank you so much. Meeting from tomorrow. Thank you once again, everyone. Thanks for bearing me. We'll start our practice tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Step by step.
Thank you.
Slowly, step by step. Thank you so much. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Next question, please. Yeah. Mukta, any more questions for me, brother? Please wait, Mukta. Any more questions? Please wait. Okay. We'll go one by one. Thank you. And Uday, can you hear me? Uday?
Yes, yes, sir.
Uday Shankar. Thank you, sir.
Screen sharing.
Yeah, got it, sir. Got it, sir. I got it. So go to search down. Go to search. Search. Type their configuration. In the Windows search down, type their configuration.
You see my screen?
Yes, I do. I do see your screen. Yes.
So I typed the configuration. I'm not getting this.
Let's wait. Not able to see your screen correctly, actually. Please wait. I'm able to see your screen, but empty search bar. It's empty search bar.
Is it?
Yeah, wait. Now I got it. Please wait. I think configuration. Yes, I got it now. It says configuration. Which edition it is? Edition.
SSMS?
No. Edition I'm talking about, my dear friend. Edition, which edition it is?
You mean to say SQL?
The SQL server installed, which edition it is my question.
I installed both 2022 and 2019.
My dear friend, edition, not the version, edition. Okay, Right click server properties. I got you. Right click server properties.
Server properties.
Okay, got it. I'll show you on my screen. You please try to do and send me the screenshot. Okay, I'm showing you something on my screen. Please check it, my dear friend. Right click server properties. Okay, right click server properties.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay,
Good, sir.
and here you see the edition. Product is there. That's the edition. Send me the screenshot once. Send me the screenshot. Give me couple of minutes time. Okay, I'll check and reply you. Send me the screenshot of this server properties on WhatsApp. Please
Okay.
do it now. Yeah, I'll wait for it. Yeah. And it's not a big deal. Okay, I can help you with that configuration manager. We can do. Send me the screenshot. We'll see. I'll call you at another 5 minutes. I'll call you. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait. Mukta, any more questions for me, my dear friend? Tell me, please. Mukta D. Tell me, please. I'll wait.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. No, actually, I think I'm just going a little bit fast. So
No. I totally
no.
understand. I totally understand. You continue. That's why I'm encouraging you to ask me, requesting you to ask me more questions now. See, whatever is coming in later class, it will come. No big deal, right? It will come, no issues.
Yeah.
So you ask me questions. No problem. What is there? Nothing wrong. Tell me. Next question.
No, actually, I mean, this why I ask you about this Windows authentication user. Basically, I mean, I want to understand. Actually, I think this is the user only which is using for manager to connect to our particular instances. So, what the user can do? I mean, what type of actions and it's
Got it, my dear friend.
yeah.
In our later classes, in our course, we are going to do security management, my dear friend. There we are going to learn some set of security objects. And let me tell you, Microsoft SQL security is opposite of database, Oracle database security. Quite opposite. Quite opposite. That is like a hospital. This is like an apartment.
Oh.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you. In hospital, cardiology department, 1 or 2 watchmen. ICU, 1 more watchman. ICCU, 2 or 3 watchmen. And again, beside the doctor's room, another watchman. But apartment, entire apartment, ground stairs. I am staying in 9th floor now. In ground stair, 1 or 2 watchmen. There's a difference. Lot of difference is there. Answer to your question, my dear friend. Here it is. Whatever we did today, add current user as admin is there. That is system admin, sysadmin. And you're asking about service startup and service stops, right? Not only sysadmin, even server admin can also do service stops and starts. Process admin can also do service stop and start here. We are going to learn more about them in 15th concept of our course. We'll do slowly. Okay? We'll do it, brother. Leave it to me. We'll do.
Yeah. No, sure. Thank you. And I'm just going very advanced, so I will keep my question.
No,
because I work in the environment, so that's why
I totally understand.
Jump.
I totally understand. See, got it.
But
I were in your place, I'll do the same. But there are, say, I think in our course right now there are few Oracle DBAs already. I think 2 or 3. But majority are new, so we have to go one by one slowly, so that there is no deviation in our path. Yeah. Okay, we'll go one by one slowly. Yes, Uday Shankar, you are asking, you are telling something, Uday Shankar. Please tell me.
Yes, I sent you that snapshot.
Perfect. Just wait. Let me check it out now. Yeah. Check it my other computer. Please wait. Yeah, I got it. You are using developer edition, right? Windows 10 Pro. Got it. I'll call you in another 5 minutes, Uday Shankar, regarding this one. Okay, no issues. I had your number. I'll do a call. Okay, sure.
So shall I drop now?
Sure. Done. We are meeting tomorrow, Uday Shankar. Everyone, we are meeting tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.